Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video, you'll see how I make Philly cheese steak. Now guys, this is a beautiful lunch, so let's jump right into the video. So guys, the beef that I'll be using is an inside round steak. Now guys, you want to cut the beef as thinly as possible because you want it to cook, pretty quickly. Now guys, I'm seasoning my beef and I'm using the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like, but I like this, and I'll be adding some Old Bay also with it because I love flavor. Then I'm just tossing that so that every piece is coated beautifully. Then guys, I add some canola oil to my skillet. Then I'll be adding my beef, and I'll be frying that for about 2 minutes. Then I'll be adding my veggies, peppers and onion. You guys can add whatever veg you guys want, but a classic Philly cheesesteak is with onion and green peppers. But I like mushroom to mine, but I forgot it. I was so pissed. And now that our steak is almost cooked, I'm adding my onions and my green peppers. And guys, I know the pot looks like it's overflowing with veg and all that, but after a couple of minutes the veg will eventually shrink, and yeah. And guys, it smells amazing. The kitchen smelled amazing doing this. And you guys can pair this with chips, fries, whatever you guys choose. You can always pair with it. Then guys, I'm sectioning this and I'm gonna add my cheese. So the cheese that you're supposed to use is provolone, or I mean whatever you guys choose. The classic Philly cheesesteak is provolone, but I use provolone and cheddar because it's just gonna give it this beautiful color and it tastes amazing. And so, guys, yeah, look at that. It's a finished product. Do remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification, and like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.